embryo. You can come. You can go over there. You can see at the green color. That one is the embryo for the shark. They are very, very nice.
That one, I like that one. I like the stripe.
You like a zebra shark?
You like the zebra
Yeah,
shark?
I like the zebra
Oh,
shark.
if you want to see the zebra shark, the adult size, because when you go to the underwater tunnel, you
Yes,
can...
I know where that is.
Oh, very clever girl.
Been here many times.
Oh,
Not too
very,
many,
very
but
good
many.
boy. Very, very, very good girl. Sorry. Sorry, girl.
They look a bit like cheetahs.
Ooh, cheetah,
Half
yeah.
cheetah, half zebra.
That's what we call it zebra, but the others we call it flatbed sharks.
Wow.
So this one is the first, second, and also the third pool. These are the marine creatures you can find in at the